Hi, I'm Tony Atkinson, Fire Marshal for the town of Clayton. Each year, the National Fire Protection Association sponsors Fire Prevention Week during the month of October. This year's Fire Prevention Week is October the 5th through the 11th, and this year's theme is Working Smoke Alarms Save Lives. Test yours every month. According to the NFPA, having a working smoke alarm in the home cuts the risk of dying in a fire in half. On average, each year, 3 out of 5 home fire deaths result in fires where there are no working smoke alarms or no smoke alarms at all. In 23% of the home fire deaths, smoke alarms were present but did not sound. The vast majority of home fire deaths are preventable, and working smoke alarms play a big role in helping reduce those numbers. The NFPA recommends installing smoke alarms inside every bedroom, outside each sleeping area, and on every level of the home, including the basement. Test all smoke alarms every month by using the test button. Replace all smoke alarms every 10 years or sooner when they don't respond properly when tested. If your smoke alarm is going off, remember these steps. Get up, know 2 ways out, get outside, go to your meeting place, and dial 911. For more information on Fire Prevention Week, visit www.fpw.org. And remember, working smoke alarms save lives. So test yours every month.